Hi loves! So today I wanted to actually put on makeup and you're probably thinking why? We are still in a state of lockdown in Ontario, so there is really nowhere for me to go. Because summer is coming, I wanted to figure out my summer makeup routine and have it down and ready when summer actually starts to come around. So things that I am looking for in my summer makeup routine is something that is more light, dewy. I do have like naturally drier skin, so I want something that is more hydrating, especially with summer. I want something that makes me look glowy but not like sweaty. We are just going to attempt to find something. I don't know how this is gonna go. I haven't used any Rare Beauty products, and obviously these ones are new. They're still in the packaging. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, do all the things. But let's see if I can figure out and have my summer makeup routine down pat. So the first thing I want to do is actually put my hair up. I'm just gonna use one of these claw clips. I am actually going to have all the products that I mention down in the description box. I'm going to start with moisturizer. I'm going to use the Lotus Youth Preserve moisturizer. Grab a little bit of this. Actually, this may be too much, and just rub it into my skin. The next thing I'm going to do is apply a sunscreen. I'm just going to let this dry a little bit, but I use the Sun Bum face sunscreen. The reason why I like it is because it doesn't have such a harsh white cast on my face. Am I dumb? Like, it's like I'm squeezing but nothing is coming out.
20 minutes later.
It took me a good like 20 minutes to get any sunscreen, but we did it. I applied my sunscreen. I applied my moisturizer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Over RX primer first because it adds a nice glow to my skin that I really like, and I think that for summer it could be really good. This also smells like coconut, so it kind of just like reminds me of summer. I put this all over my face. I don't know if you're supposed to. I am by no means a makeup artist. Because I have so many pores on my nose and on my chin, I'm using the Benefit Professional. I've been using this one for so long, partially because it smells like orange chiclets and I love the smell of orange chiclets, but I'm gonna put some on my nose and it kind of just like smooths everything out. I am not going to be wearing any foundation or anything, but I just like a smooth canvas. I mean, who doesn't? The next product I'm gonna be using is the Benefit Ka-Brow. I literally use this in every single one of my makeup tutorials. It's just one of these like pomade ones. This one is in the shade number 5. I did my eyebrows off camera, and while I was doing my eyebrows and looking in the mirror, I realized how badly I need to do my eyebrows. They look really janky and I desperately need to do them. I am going to use the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, and I got it in the shade 300C. I've never ordered anything from Rare Beauty. Look at how cute the packaging is. I'm pretty sure like you've already seen it, and it's so freaking cute. But as you can see, I just have like problem areas around my chin. I'm gonna do a bit around my eyes and then like over here and stuff. So I just applied it to the areas where I would normally apply concealer, so like under my eyes, in between my eyebrows, and then on my chin is where it's typically the problem areas. And now I'm just using a very dirty beauty blender to blend it all out and to see if this is even my shade. I did do like the shade matching on Sephora. I still don't know if this is like my actual shade. I do really like the consistency of it. It's a very like moussey consistency. I can't really feel it on my skin, which is exactly what I want for doing my summer makeup routine. Okay, so I just finished adding all of the concealer. I still am very glowy, which is very nice because that's exactly what I wanted. I do like it. It's very lightweight. I did cover up dark spot a little bit more. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there are still some markings on my chin. Now I'm going to set everything with a little bit of the Laura Mercier powder. I just use my beauty blender to kind of apply it to my skin. Then I go in with like a big fluffy brush and really brush all of that powder around. I'm trying to debate if I want to do my bronzer or my blush first. I think I want to do my blush first just because the more powder, I don't know if it'll blend well. This is the Soft Pinch blush by Rare Beauty again in the shade Joy. It says you are rare. I think that's so cute. So it's a liquid blush. It's in the same exact kind of tube, just this is gold and this is like a soft pink matte. I do know that you're not supposed to apply a lot of this, so we are going to use sparingly. First of all, this color looks so freaking daunting. I would never usually go for a shade like this. Let me do like, okay, a dot there, and then let's do one on my nose. I've seen everyone blend it with their fingers, so that is what I'm gonna do. Is it sanitary? Kind of. I did wash my hands. Okay, we're gonna blend it in. Oh my god. I don't know. Okay. Oh my god. Let me do this side while we're at it. Did I apply too much? Let me do the one on my nose too. It looks like I got like sunburn. Okay, so I blended it out. It kind of looks like I got like sunburn maybe. I don't know, maybe it looks kind of good. I honestly think that this side may need a little bit more, and maybe I'm going to be risking it by adding blush. Okay, I'm just gonna do like the tiniest smidge of blush. Okay. Let's not get too carried away. Okay, so I fully blended it in. I actually think that it looks really good. Very like sun-kissed, kind of giving me like sunburn vibes, but I kind of am living for it. But next I'm going in with Dior Skin Mineral Nude Bronze Wild Earth Bronzer. It just looks like this. I'm just going to bronze up the skin a little bit just to add some more depth. Moving on to highlighter. This is the Dior Skin Nude Air Luminizer, and it's this pretty like champagne kind of color. I love this one because it looks very natural. I don't even know if you guys can see. I remember I wore this highlighter out, you know, before the pandemic. I went into Aritzia and one of their like employees complimented my highlighter, and I've never gone back. So shout out to that girl. I have no idea what that girl's name is actually, but she complimented my highlighter and I felt like a bad bitch. I'm going to finish off with mascara. I don't even think I'm gonna put on like a lip because I don't think it's necessary. I'm going to finish off with some mascara and I will be right back. So I have fully finished my makeup. Let me like zoom you guys in. To finish off with my eyes, I just used the L'Oreal Telescopic in waterproof. Here's the makeup. Look at the blush. All I have is like concealer. I'm impressed. Like everything feels very lightweight. I didn't really change anything except for my blush and my concealer. I think that it looks like super good. Is this my summer makeup routine? I think it is. Like, I think I did like a really good job. Looks like I put in a whole lot more effort and all I'm wearing is concealer. I'm not even wearing foundation. I think I attempted my new summer makeup routine and I think I succeeded. I think that it looks really good. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!